Hey guys! If you are passionate about technology, innovations and everything that involves the future, Tesla Bot Today is the perfect channel for you. We are striving to bring quality and up-to-date content about the world of robots and Tesla. Our goal is to reach 500 subscribers, and we need your help to get there. Sign up now and join our community. Don't miss our videos on the latest news, reviews and more. Click subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any content. Elon Musk recently discussed the Optimus robot and suggested the idea that it could watch a video of a person cooking and learn how to make the dish just by watching. Imagine how amazing it would be if you could show Optimus a cooking video and it would immediately go into the kitchen and make the dish. This would eliminate the need to go to restaurants and spend hundreds of dollars every week. Instead, you could spend less than $20,000 to buy a Tesla Optimus, which would be your lifelong assistant. Musk mentioned that Tesla could manufacture each Optimus for around $10,000, with costs confirmed to decrease over time. Eventually, these robots will be available in stores for around $15,000, which seems unbelievable, but it's true. So what can Optimus actually do and why does it represent a huge profit opportunity? There are several reasons for the low price tag on Optimus. Tesla can afford to incur a production cost of around $10,000 per robot because it is manufactured entirely in-house, from the battery to the motor, transmission, and arms, legs, and hands. This means that costs are not heavily dependent on suppliers. At the same time, Tesla can estimate how much better it can get for each Optimus. Of course, producing at a lower cost does not necessarily mean that Tesla will sell its humanoid robots at a lower price. They could still be introduced at higher prices, such as $50,000, $70,000, or even $100,000, because the benefits these robots bring over time may outweigh the initial cost. However, Elon Musk may decide to sell them at a lower price because he believes that everyone will eventually need an Optimus, perhaps even more than one. As we know, Optimus is currently in Gen 2 and will soon be upgraded to Gen 3. Let's hear what Musk has to say. Our next generation will have 22 degrees of freedom, and it will be able to play the piano, so it's really amazing. Musk mentioned our next generation instead of next upgrade, suggesting that what we're seeing now is not the final product ready for the market. This implies that Tesla could commercialize at least 3 versions of Optimus, Gen 1, Gen 2, and Gen 3. We previously learned that Tesla is simultaneously developing Gen 1 and Gen 2 versions of Optimus in its research facilities. This hypothesis leads us to consider the value proposition for each generation, suggesting different versions of the robot. If Elon Musk does commercialize his 3 generations of humanoid robots, Gen 1 will mainly perform the simplest household tasks, such as interacting with some devices and controlling them autonomously at its request. Of course, the usefulness of this first generation will certainly be limited. Instead, the Optimus Gen 2 will focus on maximizing tasks, with 11 degrees of freedom in its hands. This generation, Tesla may put it in the factory, as Elon Musk confirmed that there are 2 Optimus robots at the Fremont factory that are performing the task of picking 4,680 cells at the end of the line and placing them in shipping containers. In fact, there are several of these robots moving around Tesla's Palo Alto offices. So the Gen 2 version will be working both in the Tesla factory and in external facilities. Finally, the next generation, the Gen 3 or whatever high-end version, will be sold primarily as a dedicated home helper to external customers. This will be the version expected to perform all the tasks assigned to it, with the upgrade from 11 degrees of freedom to 22 degrees of freedom, almost equal to the 27 degrees of freedom of human hands. Tesla will focus heavily on the Gen 3 to make it as perfect as possible. So in the end, we will have 3 different price points for 3 different versions. According to our predictions, the starting price will be between $20,000 and $60,000 for all 3 versions. The price of Optimus robots will decrease over time, and the reason we will be able to buy them at affordable prices is that Tesla will sell the robots with various incentive programs. For example, Tesla could offer discount coupons for Optimus when customers buy Tesla electric cars. This is entirely possible and a clever marketing strategy with many potential benefits. This combined promotion could attract more potential customers to Tesla electric cars, especially those interested in the Optimus robot and its applications. Offering a discount for Optimus could increase the attractiveness of buying Tesla electric cars, contributing to increased sales. Coming back to Tesla's ability to produce Optimus at a very low cost, Elon Musk elaborates further on Tesla's advantages in building robots. We have the resources to do this and it applies very well, and you also need to have the brain, an energy-efficient inference computer, which we have for the car and will use in Optimus. There's no denying that Tesla's biggest advantage in producing cheap humanoid robots is that they have experience in creating electric vehicles, and it's not that hard to get into mass production when the pace is stable from the start. Even the Cybertruck initially struggled in production, but it's easy to see that Tesla quickly picked up the pace with the pickup truck. What makes us even more confident that we can produce the Optimus for less than $20,000 per unit is that Tesla already has a very good foundation in AI, acquired over many years of developing FSD systems for electric vehicles. The manufacturer transferred this expertise to the robot without having to start from scratch. With Elon's support, the transition to AI in the Tesla bot has been even faster and better, because it is very good at it. Because of this, Elon Musk is particularly confident that his robot can handle a variety of tasks, from simple to complex. You have to be the best at AI in the real world, and Tesla is the best at AI in the real world. But having enough components and parts to produce a humanoid robot is not everything. As Elon Musk has admitted, the speed of bringing Optimus to market also depends on the manufacturer's workforce. Elon Musk added about Tesla's advantage: "We have the best electrical engineering in the world. I think we have the best mechanical engineering in the world for gearboxes and electric motors and power electronics." Elon believes Tesla has the manufacturing capabilities, engineering expertise, and AI platform to make Optimus a success at low cost. While it may take longer to achieve some of these goals, Elon believes Tesla will achieve them, possibly before any other humanoid robotics company. Optimus is more impressive than you might think. If you're over 30, consider how much smartphones have changed society and daily life. Optimus could be more capable than our smartphones, so it's hard to imagine how it and similar devices will change lives. Tesla has taken a unique design approach to Optimus. Elon Musk has plans for Optimus to replace humans in tedious or risky jobs, but instead of being seen as a machine, he wants the robot to be seen as a friend. Musk shared that a major hardware overhaul is expected to be completed by the end of this year or early next year, before going into limited production next year. This indicates that Tesla is gearing up for a major advancement in robot technology. Optimus hardware includes joints, bones, motors, sensors, and mechanisms that allow the robot to move and function like a human. This hardware upgrade promises to improve Optimus' performance and capabilities, making it more flexible and powerful. For example, Optimus could perform delicate tasks like playing the piano or threading a needle, as Musk previously mentioned, tasks that require high precision and dexterity. Additionally, the flexibility provided by the new joints could improve the robot's speed and efficiency, overcoming its current limitations on movement speed. Speaking at the Cannes Lions International Festival of Creativity, Musk discussed Tesla's ambition for its humanoid robot, saying that people will start to see its personal Optimus robots as a kind of friend, comparing it to the iconic R2-D2 robot from Star Wars. While he clarified that Tesla is not planning to make Optimus look like a person, Musk joked that the company wants the robot to be cute. Musk said that fully functional robots would be able to perform a wide range of tasks, acting as a sort of personal assistant for a home. You can ask it to walk your dog, take care of your house, take care of the kids, cook dinner, play the piano, so it's a generalized humanoid robot. We believe that the number of tasks that the Tesla bot can perform will improve with each update, similar to how the full self-driving capabilities of Tesla's electric vehicles have progressively improved in quality over time. We have experience updating software over the air, OTA, with Tesla's FSD software. Tesla releases new versions, and the car performs much better than before. We've seen this firsthand with Tesla's electric vehicles, and we've been monitoring Tesla's FSD development progress for several years, noting significant improvements that could become more widespread by the end of the year. However, with a humanoid robot like Optimus, Tesla isn't just aiming for it to be a robot that performs simple tasks like folding clothes, cleaning the house, or moving objects. Tesla's true ambition is to create a comprehensive robot capable of performing all human movements and capabilities, modeled after human body habits, and achieving levels of freedom similar to those of the human body. Therefore, the range of tasks that this humanoid robot can perform could rival what humans can do with subsequent updates. So with OTA software updates, we expect to see incredible advancements in the future. You may need to spend a few $100s more for additional Optimus features. For example, with a software update, the humanoid robot could learn to do much more than before. If it initially knows how to cook 1,000 dishes, with upgrades, it could learn 2,000 or 5,000 dishes at first, then 8,000 dishes and eventually 10,000 dishes. Musk once said that we can customize Optimus according to our personality and language, and it will work based on these settings. With each upgrade, it will become better able to analyze the user's emotions and expressions in various situations to act accurately. For example, if you cry, it could automatically offer you a hug or get you a tissue to wipe your tears. This could be a true companion that no one wants to lose. If we compare this to other superior models of artificial intelligence, such as ChatGPT, each new version from 3.5 to 4.0 and beyond to 5.0 has seen significant improvements. However, when compared to Tesla's humanoid robot, the differences become more pronounced. Tesla's humanoid robot not only updates its knowledge, but also develops new physical abilities. Speaking of language, Optimus can be customized in terms of language, and Musk suggests that it could be a potential teacher to educate children. While ChatGPT can only speak, Optimus can describe through actions, helping children understand lessons and become more interested in learning. We believe this is one of the main benefits to consider for an Optimus, as while ChatGPT is continually updated, it cannot go into the kitchen, fix toilets, or help with gardening tasks that a humanoid robot can perform. Therefore, software updates for humanoid robots not only increase their knowledge, but also expand their ability to perform physical tasks. Elon Musk believes that due to their complex and diverse tasks, each person will be able to have their own robot, and there will be robots working in various industries. This suggests that robots could outnumber humans in the future. Musk has highlighted Tesla's Optimus robot as one of the company's most valuable assets. "I think Optimus will be worth more than everything else combined," Musk said during Tesla's earnings call in April. Elon has said that if you have a humanoid robot with vision that can perform physical tasks, then there is no significant limit to what it can do in terms of scaling the economy. According to Musk, by next year we will have over 1,000, maybe a few thousand Optimus robots working at Tesla, and things will scale rapidly from there. It is truly shocking and impressive to think that in just 1 year, thousands of robots could potentially flood Tesla's factories, replacing humans in many monotonous and dangerous manufacturing jobs. This announcement comes in the context of Tesla's recent decision to lay off 10% of its workforce, a move that has generated controversy and concern. However, as Musk has stated, the launch of the Optimus robots could serve as a positive signal to offset these layoffs with a rapid increase in the number of robots. Tesla aims not only to increase efficiency and productivity, but also to unlock new potential in optimizing industrial processes. Automation and artificial intelligence play a key role in driving development and innovation. The pace of this development promises to fundamentally transform our perception of manufacturing and industry in the near future. At first glance, Tesla may seem like an electric vehicle manufacturer involved in robotics, but in reality, it is an AI and robotics company that also produces automobiles. They can be considered a global leader in real-world AI with their autonomous driving program, and are quickly becoming a leader in robotics, potentially surpassing all other areas of Tesla combined. At Tesla's 2024 shareholder meeting, Elon Musk confidently stated that the ratio of humanoid robots to humans will be greater than 1-to-1, predicting that there will be over 10 billion humanoid robots in the world, possibly 20 billion or more. This indicates that he believes that the demand for the Optimus robot will be so great that 20 billion units will be enough to meet the market, with production rates reaching tens of millions of units per year. Each household may well want to have 2 to 3 Optimus robots, one for cooking and housework, one for childcare and elder care, and one for home security. This reflects his vision of a future where humanoid robots not only replace manual labor but also interact with and assist humans in a variety of areas, which are in immense demand. It's not just electric vehicles that are at stake, but Optimus is seen as the magic bullet expected to significantly increase Tesla's value, surpassing $25 trillion. Musk made this prediction shortly after his $56 billion compensation package was approved by shareholders after a Delaware judge rejected it. He emphasizes that Optimus, one of the latest humanoid robots to enter the market, can be compared to the robots C-3PO and R2-D2 from Star Wars. It's not yet clear how long Musk believes it will take for Tesla to reach its $25 trillion valuation by 2030. Electric vehicles are expected to account for 35% to 40% of total new car sales, and while it's undeniable that electric vehicles are currently more expensive than their combustion-powered counterparts, this price gap is expected to narrow as component costs, especially batteries, fall. Another important factor that could help reduce production costs for all vehicles, especially electric ones, is the advanced integration of robots into manufacturing. Tesla, a pioneer in this field, uses the Optimus robot with AI-5 software that has been improved tenfold over previous hardware, playing a crucial role. How will the Tesla Bot Gen 3 robot be involved in battery production for the Model 2? What key improvements has Elon Musk committed to implementing in Optimus before its market launch in 2025? At the annual shareholders meeting, Musk confidently predicted that the bulk of Tesla's long-term value will come from Optimus, and he's pretty confident in that prediction. Top experts estimate that Tesla's valuation could exceed $5 trillion based solely on the self-driving capabilities of its vehicles, excluding Optimus. That's pretty accurate, but it gets even more impressive when you think about the Optimus robot, which is essentially a humanoid robot designed to do whatever you want it to do. It can be your companion, it can be in your house, it can take care of your children, it can teach you, and it can do factory work. Ultimately, how many super useful humanoid robots would you want to have? Who wouldn't want a C-3PO with a touch of C-3PO Plus in R2-D2? That would be awesome, and pretty much everyone in the world would want one. Of course, there would be robots in industry making everything. Musk also suggested that the ratio of humanoid robots to humans would probably be at least 2 to 1, something like that, certainly 1 to 1. That means there would be about 10 billion humanoid robots, possibly 20 or 30 billion of them, and if Tesla only has 10% of that market, that could be more than 10%. Musk could probably produce around 100 million Optimus robots each year due to the sheer quantity they would create, at a mass-scale cost of around $110,000, making it cheaper than a car. If we assume Musk sells it for $20,000, Tesla would essentially make around $1 trillion in profit per year on this. If the price-to-earnings ratio is below 20 or 25, that means Optimus alone would have a market cap of $2 trillion, plus another $5 to $10 trillion from self-driving vehicles. So it's entirely conceivable that Tesla could reach a valuation 10 times higher than the most valuable company today. This seems to be why Musk is so focused on AI. Plus, Tesla will make sure these robots behave and act appropriately while they're working, which is pretty important. Tesla is also a leader in real-world AI, ahead of companies like Google and Meta in real-world software, and it's getting better every month, if not every week. Notably, Tesla is quite skilled at chip design, so the AI inference chip that Tesla designed for cars has AI-3 hardware, and the cars that were produced last year have AI-4 hardware. They just finished designing the AI-5 hardware and are now moving on to AI-5. Chip design is like starting from scratch in AI software and having the best real-world AI software and the best AI inference chips in the world, from nothing. This presents a huge challenge that requires extremely significant research for the Optimus hardware. The AI-4 hardware runs the AI-3 hardware in simulation mode, so significant progress will continue to be made on the AI-3 hardware, but by the end of this year, the work will actually be split, continuing training on the AI-3 hardware, but doing separate training on the AI-4 hardware, which will be the kind of training cluster that will be built on the south side of the Gigafactory. With AI-4 hardware, cameras have about 4 to 5 times better resolution, and depending on how you count, AI-4 hardware is 3 to 8 times better than AI-3 hardware. In short, Elon Musk's vision for Tesla's future goes far beyond manufacturing electric vehicles. The company is positioning itself as a global leader in artificial intelligence and robotics, with the humanoid robot Optimus playing a central role in this transformation. With capabilities ranging from performing household tasks to complex industrial tasks, Optimus promises to revolutionize multiple industries and change the way we interact with technology. Musk's prediction that there will be more humanoid robots than humans in the world highlights the magnitude of the impact he expects Optimus to have. Mass production and continued technological advancements will allow Tesla to reduce costs, making these robots accessible to a wide range of consumers and businesses. This integration of AI and robotics will not only increase efficiency and productivity, but will also open up new possibilities for innovation and development. Musk's ambition that Tesla's long-term value will come predominantly from Optimus demonstrates his confidence in the company's ability to lead this new technological era. If Tesla can achieve these goals, it could become the world's most valuable company, redefining the limits of what automation and artificial intelligence can accomplish. The technological revolution driven by Optimus is a testament to Musk's vision for a future where robotics and AI not only complement but significantly augment human capabilities, promising a world where tedious or dangerous tasks can be delegated to robots, allowing people to focus on more creative and meaningful activities.